So today, we are going to review this Rosewell Cherry MX Blue. Okay, so now I'm going to take over. So basically, this is the Rosewell Cherry MX Blue switch. So there's different types of switch, like the green, brown, red. But today I'm going to review. Okay, so today we are actually going to review this. Oh, this is kind of so. We're going to review the Cherry MX. Oh my, the box says cherry, but it's actually blue. So, and the 100% Cherry MX mechanical key switches, and I hope these last for a pretty long time. And the N key rollover, which I do not. English. I do not really know. So I'm not really, I really don't know about keyboards. So, yeah. 4 modes, backlight, adjustments.
And key roller, what does that mean, Samantha?
Okay, so this is the back. These are the features. Can you move your hand? Thank you. Okay. And
pause if you needed to.
And these are the N key rollover. Still do not know. Anyways, it has blue LED lights, so that's really cool. And I'm gonna open this up. Oh, I almost ripped this box. Okay, so got some scissors here. Okay, let's see if I can open it. I don't know how to open boxes. Okay. Hopefully this is caught in camera. Usually I wouldn't record me opening these boxes. Man. Okay, got it. And this is the arcade 9300. So ooh, these are awesome. So my brother's here actually to help us film. Yeah, let's get this keyboard out. Awesome. Cool. So there's kick it away. There's a manual. Awesome. We got a cable attached to the keyboard, which is good. Ooh, this is awesome.
And I'm gonna move in close up.
Oh yeah, please, thank you.
Look at the design.
Awesome. So right now there's no lights right now because we need to plug it in. So obviously that. And okay. Wait, I want to be.
No, I touched it.
So basically, this is how it. Ooh, this is sound test. Sorry, I'm gonna move like this. Oh, this is awesome.
Oh my god. Every time when I'm gonna try to sleep, this is gonna be the noise I hear. Able.
This is awesome. Oh, good, because I don't really. You can probably zoom it up over here. It's really good for people who don't know what is F4, F3, and you will know, like, for example, F3 will be like bring the volume up, which is awesome. And yeah, I think this will be my favorite keyboard. I never had a mechanical keyboard myself, so this is awesome. Okay, let me back up the camera. Now I'm the only one who's in charge of the camera now. Let's see the space bar. Awesome. Oh, I don't want to break it. I'm not going to be like other YouTubers pulling this out. And it kind of also has this, what do you call this? A hand. Comment down below. I don't remember what it's called, but yeah. This is a gaming keyboard. Although I'm not a gamer, I think it's, yeah, I use this for probably typing. And not for actually gaming.
I'm gonna
ignore for the noises.
I'm gonna use it for creating a song so I can create a background.
Okay, so basically, yeah, my brother and I are gonna share this. So yeah, let's look at the manual. So this is the illuminate. Okay.
Creating a background.
No. So don't mind about the background. And this is a gaming keyboard, like what I said. And that's the thing. User manual. So I'm gonna have to read it over. Okay. So yeah, the table of contents. Ooh, this is awesome. So basically, I can't show you this, but inside, like if you lift this keyboard up, it actually shows like a blue switch. But I don't know how to do that. Don't want to break my keyboard, so not taking that risk. So let's see if there's anything. Oh, the system requirements. The Microsoft Windows XP, Windows 7, Windows 8, and Windows 10. Oh, you can't even see it. Oh, there. And this is my first ever keyboard video, so yeah. Oh, and this one is like a full-size keyboard, as you can see. It has also the numbers here, and yeah. Okay. These are the information of the top. So yeah, and there it is. That's what we're talking about right here. So that's awesome. Oh, and these are for people who don't know. Well, they want to put this so people don't forget, or people who don't know. So these are the FN. So where is it? Can't see. Without the lights, can't really see. Yeah, I don't know where it is right now, but yeah. So the FN with all these. So that's really cool. Ooh. Come on, let's go. Okay, so basically, my brother's gonna see this too. So I need to learn this. So FN plus the arrow, or that adjusts brightness. Ooh, the brightness. So there's 4 modes. So that's awesome. And if you do that, the lights are on and off. And look, the FN plus F10 is the setting. And look at the setting. It can be full, this part, and without the keyboard, like the numbers, or people who play Minecraft. So basically, is the A, W, S, D, and the arrows.
You should also add the space though, and the shift.
Yeah, the shift.
And the power control.
Yeah, and also, I'm gonna put them on the keyboard, like on the computer, so it will work. And personally, I like the noise. Do you like the noise?
Sometimes it's kind of annoying.
I like it.
Just remember, you're going to be hearing this all day.
Okay, don't want to break that, but anyways, I'll be right back to show you like the lighting. Okay, bye. Hey you guys, so I am super duper impressed with this. So these actually light up so good. So when it shows up on the letters, there's really no kind of shows on the bottom. But yeah, my brother, yeah. Basically, that's it. This is for this video. Awesomeness. And I hope you enjoyed this video, and I will see you next time. Bye, guys.